Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add star rating for your WordPress blog posts. So first of all, we need to go here in website dashboard, and now we need to install a free plugin. You can go here, and here you can search for total rating. So this one is the free plugin that you can easily use, and it comes with multiple options and useful features that you can easily use. Okay, after that you can go on the left side in WordPress dashboard. Then you need to set up a widget. So we can go back here. You can see this one. You can enable these reactions, star ratings, like and dislike options, and different other options. So let me go here and select this one, star rating. And here you need to add widget name, for example post rating. Then scroll down, click here continue button, and now here you can select the color scheme. Then scroll down and you can select the spacing, then alignment, before the content, after the content. Then click on continue button, and if you want to hide results, then you can enable this option. Okay, after that click on finish button. So now widget is ready, and it is automatically added in all the blog posts. So for example, if I go here and reload this page, now here you can see this one is added. For example, if I select this one, 5-star ratings. Okay, now let me go back and click on dashboard. Now here you can see I got this result. So in this way you can easily add post rating in WordPress website.